President Emerson Mnangagwa's long speculated 2030 presidential ambitions have hit a brick wall after the ZANU-PF Politburo reject the co-option of his top ally, fuel tycoon Kudakwashi Tagurei, into the Central Committee. And in a further embarrassment, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga blocked a controversial donation of brand new vehicles from Tagurei to Politburo members. Azvipere Moshe, Tsanapenda Mashoko arikuonekwa kunzi panguva ino chaos is now rocking in the ruling party ZANU-PF. Nezvitiko zviri kuitika, aiwa zvinyasoratidza kuti now ZANU-PF is now in deadlock. Kundobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Ndipinda munoona apa toda muchinyogwa muchinzi. The dramatic sequence of events has left Mnangagwa politically exposed and internally isolated, with his own presidium openly defying him, and the ruling party's top executive the Politburo rejecting him in principle. Sources inside the heated Politburo meeting confirmed that only 2 cut of 49 members, Justice Ministers Zambi in Politburo stalwart Omega Hungwe, supported the move to parachute Tagurei into the Central Committee. The rest, led by Vice President Chiwenga, Secretary for Administration Obert Mpofu, Christopher Mnangagwa, and Patrick Chinamasa, voted the proposal down. The rejection is widely seen as a fatal blow to Mnangagwa's efforts to entrench loyalists in key positions and engineer a path to a third term beyond 2028. But the most telling sign of resistance came before the meeting, when Chiwenga reportedly intercepted and blocked a plan for Tagurei to donate luxury vehicles to Politburo members, a gesture critics described as a blatant bribe intended to carry favor ahead of the vote. In quotes, the vehicle scheme was a red line, said a senior party figure. Chiwenga was clear. Party loyalty cannot be bought with cars, and Tagurei cannot buy a seat at the table, said one source speaking on condition of anonymity. Developing story. Domashkwa kuda panguva iri chinoka kunzi aiwa the rule here President Emerson Mnangagwa has been cut after aiwa the co-option yaTagurei yaramba, and VP Constantino Chiwenga vakamobilize zvavaita panguva ino vachiblock a donation aiwa yemamotor vehicles. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko chipinda kumasection medu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.